Hey everyone, welcome back to HasWings. I'm James, and today we're going to debunk some common winter travel myths that you should definitely ignore. You've all heard them, those whispers in the wind that winter travel is too expensive, too dangerous, or just plain impossible. But let me tell you, those are just myths, holding you back from experiencing the magic of winter wonderlands. So, if you're ready to trade in your flip-flops for some snow boots and embrace the spirit of adventure, stick around. We're about to break down these winter travel myths one by one and show you just how incredible a winter getaway can be. Get ready to rewrite your travel plans, because things are about to get chilly. Let's get started. Okay, let's address the elephant in the room. Or should I say, the polar bear in the snowstorm. The first myth we're tackling is that winter travel will always break the bank. Now, while it's true that peak season around the holidays can get a little pricey, winter travel is far from a one-size-fits-all situation. Think about it. When everyone else is dreaming of sunny beaches and escaping the cold, you can use the off-season to your advantage. Airlines and hotels are often eager to fill those empty seats and rooms, which translates to incredible deals for savvy travelers like you. Don't be afraid to venture beyond those peak travel dates. Consider traveling in January or February. You might be surprised at the amazing deals you can find. And remember, flexibility is your best friend. Being open to different dates and destinations can lead you to hidden travel gems with budget-friendly prices. So before you write off that winter trip, do a little research, be flexible, and watch those travel deals roll in. Remember, adventure awaits those who seek it, no matter the season. Alright, let's shatter another myth. The idea that winter means being stuck inside with nothing to do but watch the snow fall. Seriously. Who wants to hibernate all winter long? Not us. Winter is a wonderland of unique and exhilarating outdoor activities just waiting to be explored. Let's start with the classics. Skiing and snowboarding. Picture yourself carving down pristine slopes, surrounded by breathtaking mountain views. The adrenaline rush, the crisp mountain air, there's nothing quite like it. But hey, maybe downhill thrills aren't your thing. That's cool. Winter offers a different kind of magic for everyone. How about a peaceful snowshoeing adventure through a snow-dusted forest? Or maybe gliding across a frozen lake on ice skates, the sound of laughter echoing through the crisp air. And don't forget about the epic snowball fights, building snowmen with the family, or cozying up in a cabin with a cup of hot cocoa after a day of winter fun. Trust me, winter is anything but boring. Okay, let's get real for a second. Winter weather can be unpredictable, that's a fact. But does that mean you should avoid winter travel altogether? Absolutely not. With a little planning and preparation, you can have a safe and unforgettable winter adventure. Think of it like this. You wouldn't head out on a tropical hike without packing water and sunscreen, right? The same principle applies to winter travel. Packing layers of warm clothing, investing in a good pair of waterproof boots, and being mindful of weather forecasts are all part of being a responsible winter traveller. And remember, it's always better to be over-prepared than caught off guard. Packing a basic winter car kit with an ice scraper, extra blankets, and some snacks can be a lifesaver if you encounter unexpected delays or road closures. But here's the thing. Preparation isn't just about gear, it's about knowledge too. Before you head out, research your destination. Familiarize yourself with local traffic laws and be aware of any potential hazards. The more you know, the more confident and prepared you'll feel. Now let's debunk the myth that everything shuts down in winter. Sure, some places hibernate, but others truly come alive when the snow falls. Picture this: charming towns adorned with twinkling lights, cozy cafes serving steaming mugs of hot chocolate, and a festive atmosphere that will melt even the coldest of hearts. Think about it. Ski resorts transform into winter wonderlands, offering world-class skiing, snowboarding, and après-ski festivities. But winter destinations go far beyond the slopes. How about exploring ice castles that shimmer like something out of a fairy tale? Or witnessing the northern lights dance across the night sky? A truly awe-inspiring spectacle. And hey, some destinations even offer unique cultural experiences that you can only find in the winter months. Think about traditional winter markets filled with handcrafted gifts and delicious treats, or festivals celebrating everything from ice sculptures to winter solstice. So, before you write off winter travel, remember that there's a world of unique and unforgettable experiences waiting to be discovered. All you have to do is embrace the magic of the season. Okay, let's talk about packing. Specifically the myth that you need to pack your entire house for a winter trip. We've all been there, staring at a mountain of clothes, wondering how it's all going to fit. But here's the truth. Packing for winter travel is all about strategy, not quantity. The key is to pack smart and utilize those layering techniques. Start with a base layer of thermal underwear to wick away moisture and keep you warm. Then, add insulating layers like fleece or wool sweaters. Finally, top it off with a waterproof and windproof outer layer. And remember, accessories are your best friend. A warm hat, gloves, and a scarf can make a world of difference. Plus, they pack down much smaller than bulky sweaters. When it comes to shoes, opt for a sturdy pair of waterproof boots with good traction. And here's a pro tip. Choose versatile clothing items in neutral colours that can be mixed and matched to create multiple outfits. This way, you'll have plenty of options without overpacking. Remember, less is more. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to HasWings for more travel tips and adventures. See you next time. So there you have it, folks. 5 common winter travel myths officially busted. Remember, winter travel is all about embracing the magic of the season, discovering unique experiences, and creating unforgettable memories. Don't let those myths hold you back from exploring the world, one snowy adventure at a time. So, go ahead. Book that winter getaway. Pack your bags, smartly of course, and get ready to experience the wonder of winter travel. Trust me, you won't regret it.